Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to achieve a very perfect brows using a brow gel. So if you're interested in this, then let's begin. So for achieving these brows, we are going to be needing some tools, which are your brow spoolie. Okay, that's the one I'm using. We're also going to be needing a flat brush. Okay, it can be a flat angle brush or a flat straight brush, whichever one works for you. I am using an angle brush. And then you're also going to be needing some hair wax. Either you use a hair wax, or you use your primer, or you use your eyelash glue, whichever one works for you. Then you're going to be needing your brow gel. Okay, if you want to use a pencil, fine, but then for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be working with a brow gel. So this is how it looks like. It looks like it's light, but then when you take it and then it goes on the skin, it becomes really dark. I think that's magic. Okay, so let's begin. First, I'm just going to dip my wane, as you can see, in my hair wax. Okay, just to get some quantity out, and then just use that wane with the wax in it to just brush my brows upwards. I don't know if it makes sense. Of course it makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. So basically what I'm doing is just brush my brows upward using that spool that has wax. Yay, wax that has the wax in it. So basically that's what I'm doing. I'm just brushing that upward. Now the reason why I'm doing this is just so I can get my brows to stay in place, and then for also to get a very defined brows, and also to kind of see the empty spaces, yeah, or the sparse spaces between the brows. So that's basically why I'm doing that. But then for me, the main reason is just for me to get a perfect shape. Perfect shape. Yeah, I said it. A perfect shape. So that's basically what I'm doing. Then next, I'm just going to go ahead and set that brow with some loose powder. Okay, some loose powder, some loose translucent powder. You can also use your face powder, whichever one works for you or whichever one you have. But I'm going to be using a loose powder, and I'm just going to be dabbing this all around, all over the brows. Yeah, yes, this is just to reduce any form of shine in the brows. Okay, I don't want to be done with my brows and then my brows are looking like a disco ball. Okay, next I'm going in with my brow gel, and I'm using that very flat angle brush I showed you guys earlier. So I just dip that into the gel and just use it to line my brows under and also the top of my brows. This is just to get the shape of the brows I want, or follow the natural lining of my own brows. So whichever one works for you. If you want an extended brow, you can use that to extend your brows. But then for me, because I want a very natural, yeah, my shape kind of brows, I like to go in with the natural lining of my brows. And then once I'm done lining the brows, I go in with that same brush and some brow gel, and I'm just using that to draw upward stroke in my brows, just to mimic hairline structure. Okay, so just to mimic the hair structure. So I'm just doing that upwards. So today I'm going for a very thick brow. Yeah, team thick today. So once I'm done with that, I like to just clean out my brows. And to do that, under my brows, I like to go with a concealer shade that is 2 shades lighter than my normal skin tone, just to make the brows pop. Okay, so that's basically what I did. Then for the top of my brows, guys, whenever you're cleaning the top of your brows, you have to be very careful. Okay, and very mindful of the kind of concealer, of the shade of concealer that you use. If you use a concealer that is very light, or like 2-3 shades lighter than your skin tone, blending it into the skin and into your foundation afterwards can be very difficult. So I will always advise, whenever you're blending the top of your brows, it is always advisable for you go in with your foundation shade. So it's very easy for you to blend that out. If you're using your foundation to just kind of clean the top of your brows, blending it to the rest of your face becomes very easy when you're doing your foundation work. Okay, so guys, once I'm done lining that, I go with a very dense small brush, just to kind of just blend that foundation on top of my brows, and just blend it into the skin, so I can achieve a very natural looking harsh line free brows. Okay, so guys, basically this is how the shape of the brow turned out. So the remaining concealer I had, the one I use in cleaning the lower part of my brows, okay, I'm just going to go with that concealer and just use it to conceal, yeah, my eyelid. Okay, this can also serve as a base for the shadow that I'll be applying later. So I'm just using the excess concealer just on my lid, just to blend that out, so I have an even spread from the bottom of, or from the arc of my brows down to my lid area, so everything just blends out well and just give me this very perfect looking face, yeah, or perfect looking brows to the lid. So basically that's what I'm doing, and I'm blending that using that same brush I use in blending out the top of my brows. So guys, that is basically it. Yeah, so that is basically it for this video. So this is the finished product of the brows. I hope you like it. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Just let me know your thoughts in the comment section, what you think about this look, or if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section and I will be responding to it. So this is it for this video. Thank you guys for staying with me. I love you guys. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, okay, leave your comments in the section, and I will see you in my next.